In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a logo inside Zoho Creator. If you want your app to look more professional and align with your brand, adding a logo is one of the quickest ways to make that happen. To begin, make sure you're logged into Zoho Creator and on the main dashboard. As you look around, you'll see different sections like applications, microservices, and environments. But for now, focus on the applications area on the left side. Click on applications and you'll see a list of all the apps you've created or have access to. Select the application where you want to add the logo. Once the app opens, move to the top right corner and click the settings icon. This will open a menu where you can adjust how your app looks and functions. Inside this menu, choose the option called Customize, which will take you to the Appearance and Branding section. On this customization page, you'll see options related to themes, colors, and branding. Look for the section that allows you to upload a logo. You may see a placeholder image or an upload button. Click it, and your computer's file window will open. Select the logo you want to use, ideally a PNG or JPEG file that's sized well for web display. After choosing your file, Zoho Creator will upload it and show you a preview. Take a moment to ensure the logo looks sharp and fits naturally within the app layout. If it appears stretched or unclear, you may want to upload a cleaner or smaller version. Once everything looks right, save your changes. Refresh your application or switch to preview mode to see your logo live inside the app. And that's it. Your Zoho Creator application now has a clean, branded look with your logo at the top. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe for more quick Zoho Creator tutorials.